a lot of things you need to do before you can actually earn. You need to swap, you need to bridge, you need gas fee, and also there's a lot of approval you need to do before you can actually earn. To fix that problem, I built Auren. This is just a simple saving apps, but under the hood, it handle all the crypto stuff for you. Let me show you how it works. First thing first, we're going to register here. There's a lot of options you can choose for you to register. If you have a wallet, you can always choose the wallet. Or if you are new into the crypto world, you can choose any social form to register. I'm going to use Google for this demo. And under the hood, it will create you an account with an address, so you can use this app. And since this is my first time, there are a guide tour in here. As you can see, it will highlight create pocket and how to manage funds. Let's get into the fund. To use this app, you need a fund, and you can choose 3 options for you to get your fund here. You can transfer in from your wallet, you can buy from Coinbase or MoonPay using your credit card or bank, or you can send from the exchange to this address. Or if you already have a fund in your address, you can always use swap to swap into USDC or any token you want. I'm going to transfer in from my wallet in Privy. So I have USDC here on the Privy wallet. I'm going to deposit $5 here. See, there are no approval, there are no sign, there are no any crypto stuff. You just need to click and it's done. So I have $5 in my account. Let's get into the pocket. We're going to create our first pocket. Let's see, I need money for Japan trip in 2027. It's a vacation and I need 5k. Let's set the deadline here. I want to go to Japan in August 30. Okay, in this step, there are strategy you can choose for this pocket. The default one are Bitcoin, ETH, and USDC strategy. Or you can always explore strategy on marketplace or create your own. But we're going to choose the default strategy for this pocket. And I'm going to deposit $2. You can see the preview here, how much you're going to get. This is the share you will get in the vault, and this is the amount in dollar. This is the fee, and you will receive this share. Alright, we already made our first save in this pocket. And you can scroll to the dashboard, you can see how much you save, how much the net in and out. And this is the projected money. This is how much you earn in 1 year. This is the PNL, and you can see the portfolio value. And also you can see the achievement here. Every time you save, you will get an achievement. This is your allocation for all your pocket, and this is your recent activity. Let's see what's inside the pocket. There are a lot of data and metrics you can see here. This is your vault, your name and your protocol vault. This is how much you earn. This is your goal and the deadline, and also you have a deposit reminder here. You can set reminder. Let's say I want to save $100 every end of month. So I will get a reminder every end of month. The next target is April 30. This is the next reminder for me to deposit into this pocket. And there are a lot of metrics you can see here. There are yield earned, average deposit per month, and this is your strict days of saving, and this is your pace to goal. So if I deposit $2 per month, I need 200 years just to get into my goal. So I better be deposit more. This is your performance and projection and APY trend, and this is the vault check. And you can see here, what if you pick other strategy? You can see there's no different if you pick other strategy. And this is your transaction history. You can export as PDF and CSV. Also, if you want to change your goal and progress in the mid-time, you can always edit. Let's say, oh, I'm going to Japan in 2028 and I need to raise 10k for this. Let's change the deadline to August 30, 2028. And all the metric you have here will change based on your deadline and your goals. And also, you can always share what you earn in this app using this button. You can save PNG, and this is what you get. This is the card you can share to other people or even your friends. Tell them to save in this app. Okay, I already mentioned strategy before. Let's see what's inside in the strategy tab. As you can see here, there are a lot of strategy that people create. You can copy the strategy. You can copy this into your strategy, and also you can always create your strategy. Let's say I'm going to have ETH USDC strategy, and for me this is like a medium risk level. I need to choose the vault for this strategy, so I'm going to choose this vault and this vault. And in the last tab, you need to set how much allocation per vault in this strategy. So let's say I'm going to set this one in 60%. So the ETH one will be 40%. So it's always 100% allocation. It will automatically change based on what the strategy you're set. Okay, let's get back this into 60%. So the ETH one will be 40%. And you can always choose if you want to publish this so other can copy. I'm going to make it public. Alright, let's get back into the pocket and use that strategy. Let's create new pocket, and this one is ETH USDC. This is the investment. I don't need a target and timeline, so let's continue. And you can see in the My Strategy tab, there are the copy one, this a fork one, and your custom one. Let's pick this one because we made this one before. Let's continue and let's save. Alright, let's see what's inside this. There are default from the two. This is the two default we already set earlier. And all the other metrics are the same. Okay, let's see what's inside the earn tab. In earn tab, you can see the vault you can choose to earn without having to create a pocket, set deadline or target. You just need to deposit and it's done. And as you can see here, there are a lot of positions we already have because in the earlier we create this vault from the pocket. Basically, a pocket is just a basket of different vault. So if you create a pocket, it will also have a vault. So if you see this is from the pocket we create earlier. You can deposit here too and withdraw your token from this tab. And the last thing is the profile page. In the profile page, you can set your display name. You can invite your friends by using this referral code. You can also edit your ref code. Let's say I'm going to edit to this. Okay, you can share your link, and you can also have your tax report here, a browser notification, and you can change the currency format for displaying. I'm going to use IDR, and all the display will be in the IDR. And if you are done earning, you can always choose to withdraw. And you can withdraw to your wallet.